Unison's relationship with RedStag goes back about 16 years, and at that time our discussions really kicked off around resilience, and that was focused on how Unison could provide an electricity solution that would improve resilience to this particular plant. Now RedStag were well down the pathway of sustainability, so they were very mature in that approach, but what they didn't have to support their growth needs was having a resilient electricity network to be able to provide that backup support should they need it.
Sustainability is a big part of our ethos as a company, and it has been for the past 80 years and will continue into the future. RedStag Timber is one of the largest sawmills in the Southern Hemisphere, and we're really well known for our innovation and scale and our energy efficiency and conservation efforts. Our carbon footprint is one of the lowest in the industry because we burn our own wood waste. While RedStag produces its own electricity, it is absolutely reliant on the Unison network to ensure the resilience of our site.
Well, one of Unison's key values is customer service. It's one we take incredibly seriously, and I think what we've seen over the past 16 years is that value really applied to the way we've looked after RedStag. I take great pride in that, and I know our field staff do, and everybody involved in the various work that we do with RedStag. So we don't take that lightly, and for us it's making sure that we continue to actually lift the bar in terms of customer service to make sure that RedStag can achieve everything it wants to achieve, all its vision and its dreams. We understand RedStag's business very well, and that comes through many years of working alongside and very closely with RedStag. So for us it's vitally important that we continue to engage with them regularly and get to know what their growth plans are now and into the future. I think ultimately it's about your mates, right? And we consider ourselves mates with RedStag, and so with your mates you do not want to let them down, so it's important to us to keep the lights on at all times.
When working with Unison, we get a great physical and technical solution, but equally important are the relationships between the two businesses. There's great collaboration between the two companies. We challenge each other occasionally and test each other, but that's a good thing.
Unison is New Zealand's 5th largest electricity distribution business, and we provide electricity services and fibre services to our Taupo, Rotorua and Hawke's Bay customers. Unison's vision is to lead a sustainable energy future that support our consumers' changing energy needs while enabling our communities to prosper for generations to come. While decarbonisation is a critical part of the future for New Zealand, as the energy sector decarbonises, we're going to see a substantial increase in electrification. We're going to need additional capacity on our networks just to make sure that our customers can get the resilience they're accustomed to. It is very important that we as an industry work closely together, that we collaborate to make sure that our customers at the end of the day get the optimum solutions.
The future is very bright. I think we've got a fantastic base to work from to launch to the future. It's built on the back of 16 odd years of mutual understanding and relationship. So it's exciting. I think it's around optimisation, it's around embracing the new energy future, whatever that looks like, further decarbonisation, sustainability, and RedStag are very driven. They're very environmentally focused, and they want to make sure they're sustainable. That aligns with Unison's values, so very excited about the future with RedStag.